Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Amazon. This is actually one of my Prime Day purchases. This is the Timex Expedition watch. So with all my purchases I get nothing for doing these videos. I like doing these unboxings though in case there's somebody sitting out there thinking about buying it and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. So I mentioned it was a Prime Day. I paid $32.78. That was with tax and everything. I'm in an area that pays, you have to pay sales tax. So let's take a look at it. Now this is just going to be an unboxing, just opening it up for the first time. Once I figure out how to use some of the functions, do some of the settings, I will link my other channel where I show different watch settings and features. So pretty standard, it comes in this box. Normally it would be like that. They have it open so you can see it. CR2016 lithium battery. I've got it strapped around the back. I did want to show the bottom here before I take it out. I was looking because a lot of times on your Ironman watches they'll have the instruction manual tucked in here. Don't see an instruction manual there, nothing here. So it looks like this is the only thing it came with, and there's no instructions at all. This is just a warning about the battery and changing out the battery. So typical Timex, no instruction manual. I'll have to hit that online. So let's take a look at it. It has a 18 millimeter band, 41 millimeter case, and 12 millimeter thickness. Acrylic crystal, which is pretty common for Timex watches. I didn't really like this compass. I thought it was kind of cheesy, almost kitty looking. I'm trying to lay it flat to see. It is actually pointing north though, so it does work, but it is hard to see. It's so small. I'll give it credit, it's nice and lightweight. I just wanted something to bang around in when I'm out exercising, out in the yard, messing around. I have 6.5 inch diameter wrist. It actually fits pretty nice. Not too big. Let me take it off and I will try and kill my overheads. If nothing else, I can't show you all the features, but at least I can maybe give you an idea of what the light looks like. That's kind of lame. I was hoping the whole screen would light up. Unfortunately, it's just the numeric values that light up. They are easy to see. Timex has really good backlight feature, but that's what it looks like. Anyway, $32.78. If anything, I hope it gives you an idea of what this watch looks like should you decide to order it. Thanks for watching.